Welcome to another video from the series First Steps on the RebelMouse CMS. In our last video we talked about the user's dashboard and how to correctly manage the users on your site. In this video we'll talk about the tool which you will be using to edit the contents of post elements or create new posts elements in your site, the entry editor. We can go to the entry editor by editing an existing post element or by creating a new post element. From the post dashboard we can click on the Add button and then click on Add Post, and this will take us to the entry editor for a new post element. We can also use the Edit button on any post element on the dashboard, and this will take us to the entry editor of that specific post element, allowing us to edit its contents. Another way of doing this is by using the Edit widget that appears on the top right of any post element on a page of the site, as long as we have the permissions to edit post elements. Here, we can see the main components a post element have, starting by its lead media, which can be an image or a video, and it may have an alt, credit, and caption. The post headline, this is the title of the post. It may also have a subheadline, and then there is the body of the post element. We can see that the body is just like a markup window, but it's actually made by HTML tags, as we can see here. We can add pretty much whatever we want, like images, videos, embeds, or rich text. We can create a new post element directly from the left menu on the entry editor. This will take us to a blank post that we can create from scratch. As we said before, the first thing that we see here is the lead media. Let's add an image. We can upload an image, or we can search for something online on Google or Unsplash. Even a video from YouTube. We will search for something cute. This will do. We will provide a headline and a subheadline. Now in the post body, we can add any type of rich text, lists, bullets, underlines, format, basically anything that you could find on a markup language. We can even add more media with the plus sign button to the left, more images or videos. On the top left we can find listicle. A listicle is structured data that will add to the body of the post, and a listicle can have many particles, each particle having a lead media, headline, and body of their own. It is not mandatory for a particle to have everything. We can have a particle with no headline or a particle that is just an image. On the top right, we can save our draft. Since this post is not yet published, its status is currently as a draft. But at the top bar we can see a preview of how our current draft would look once published. Here we click on the arrow to display the buttons Schedule and Preview. By clicking on Preview, we will be taken to a page that shows to us the actual render of the draft we just constructed. We can also change the view for mobile, desktop, iPad, and more. You can see that everything that we put on the draft is actually being displayed here. Back on our entry editor, once again in our draft, we can publish this post with a click on the Publish button, and now we should be able to find our post on the home page. For example, if we want to unpublish the post, we can go back to the entry editor and click on Unpublish. This will pull out the post from the site, but it will go back to being a draft. It will not be deleted, so don't worry. Now that is a draft again, we can schedule its publish date with the Schedule button. Here we will need to give it a date for the draft to be published automatically. Once this date is reached, the draft status will be changed to live and you will be able to see it on the site. It's important to note that here in the home page we can see just some of the fields that make the whole post element, like the lead media and headline. This can be modified to show more fields or hide some of them, but we will do this on a different video. That's all you need to know about the entry editor for now. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.